everyone, welcome to our channel. If you're new to this channel, we're glad to have you here, and to our subscribers, thank you guys so much for watching and welcome back. For today's video, I'll be making another setup and I'll be using our 5 feet tall round arch balloon stand, and it's gonna be the theme is for this coming Easter. All the materials that we use here, we'll put it in the description down below, and we'll put how many items or how many balloons we use for this particular project. So with that said, let's inflate our balloons. We'll start with this color and we'll inflate this to 7 inches or 17.78 centimeter. Like this. So I made a bunch of this and we'll inflate the other color. Just like that, and I already pre-inflated some of them. So this time we'll mount it to the round arch balloon stand. So we will start off with this color. So you grab 2, put one here and one here, and then just wrap it like that. Okay. Another one here. So you need 3 of each color, and then proceed to the next one. I'll stop there for now. Then before we continue this on, I will put the carrot right there. This time we'll inflate our 5 inches balloon. So this is going to be our carrot portion of our project. Inflate it to 3 inches or 7.62 centimeter. So we make 12 of this, or total of 3 quads. So if you turn this like that, it becomes quad, so you need 3 quads. And then the next one you will inflate is still 5 inches. This time you will only need 1 quad or 4 pieces of your 5 inches balloon. So we'll start off with our 3 inches. Just put it right here. Followed by your 5 inches inflated to 3.5. So you need only 4 pieces or 1 quad. So before we continue on, for the 3 inches you need 3 quads or 12 pieces. And then 3.5 is 4 pieces or 1 quad. Followed by your 4 inches, only 4 pieces or 1 quad, and then 4.5, 4 pieces or 1 quad, and then you have your 5 inches, you need 4 pieces or 1 quad, and we have our 5.5 and a half inches, we need 8 of this or 2 quads. So recap, those are 5 inches balloon inflated to different sizes. This time we have our 10 inches balloon inflated to 6 inches. By the way, we need 12 of this or 3 quads. So this time we need our 260 balloon use this for the carrot leaves. You stretch it first, and I'll pump this all the way to the tip, leaving just a little room right there. We need about 5 or 7 of these. So this time we got our 260Q that we inflated earlier. So you fold this in half, and then you just have to pinch and twist. Okay, put it right here. So I'll put this on the side so you'll be able to see. So I'll use 260Q balloon or 260 to wrap this here so they're kind of tight. Alright, we got a carrot right there. So now we'll start here with our purple. Alright, so this time we're ready to attach our bunny rabbit right here. If you're new to this channel and you want to know how to make this beautiful bunny rabbit, we have a video tutorial right there. Please do check that out. And now we'll attach this here. Right there. So in order for this to be to stabilize on our balloon arch, we will put one pair of balloon right here just for support. Like that. We'll add balloon glue dots. We'll put our bunny rabbit right here. And stick this balloon to the back of your bunny. And we'll put one here as well. And right on the ear as well. So this time we will use 5 inches. This is our fillers. So this is how I make my fillers. We'll inflate this to 4 inches or 10.16 centimeter. Then use your 260 balloon or 260Q. Or some call it modeling balloon. Just tie it right on here. There you go, there's your filler. And I already pre-made a lot of them. This time we'll add our filler. So there's a little gap right here, so we'll attach this here. And this time I'm gonna show you how to make my Easter balloon egg. So this is actually, the size of this balloon is 16 inches. And I inflate it and I squeeze it here. Squeeze it like that so it shapes like an actual egg. So we have our ribbon and we will use our balloon glue dot. Stick it to your balloon. And just wrap this around. Just like that. And I have some confetti. Just like that. And we have another one. Now for the final touch, we will add our Easter balloon egg. And there you go guys, it's finally done. I hope you like this and learned something from this arrangement today. If you do like it, please give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. And once again, this is Fendem NY. We will see you guys in the next video. Take care and have a wonderful day. Bye.